Hey everybody, Amanda Shenevert here with Leafy Greens Meal Prep Services, here with another quick tip for you. So I just got back from the grocery store and I picked up some lemons and limes and avocados, and I'm going to show you and talk to you about how to clean them. So if you've never heard of the Dirty Dozen or the Clean 15, it is a list of fruits and vegetables that you should buy organically, that's the Dirty Dozen, or it's okay to buy conventionally, that's the Clean 15. And basically they just look at the amount of chemicals that reside on the fruits and vegetables and help you, the consumer, decide whether or not to purchase them organically. And you should be purchasing organic if you can, but either way you should also be cleaning your fruits and vegetables. So let me show you how I clean something like my lemons and limes and avocados, something with a hard outside that I'm not necessarily going to eat. So I just sprinkle with a little bit of baking soda, and we buy the big box because we do this a lot. And I just sprinkled them on that, and then we always spray with white vinegar as well. So this is just a bottle that I got off Amazon, and then I just spray, give them a good soak. Watch that fun chemical reaction there. Now you can let this soak like this for a few minutes. It's also recommended that you can just fill with water and baking soda and just let them sit. Either way, once you're done letting them sit, I think they recommend maybe 20 minutes. Always brush with a nice stiff bristle. This is a vegetable brush, okay? And then just make sure that you're getting, everything, especially something like an avocado, where you're not going to eat the flesh, but you're going to cut into it. So if you haven't cleaned the outside, you're going to push those chemicals and those pesticides into the flesh that you are going to eat, okay? So once you're done, just give it a quick rinse, and then you can either air dry it or towel dry it. So that's my quick tip for today. Stay tuned for another awesome tip about lemons that I can't wait to share with you. In the meantime, follow me on Facebook, check me out on Pinterest, and have a great day, everybody.